I'm an entrepreneur and I deal in two verticals. One is to do with green power and the other has got to do with automation. In green power, I'm basically into dealing with fuel cell technology, and you'll probably get me to hear about it in probably another 3-4 months time, where we are rolling it out, and it is something that is exciting because it doesn't pollute the environment at all, and in the true sense of the word, it's absolutely green. And automation is something that I am passionate about, because I initially was really fascinated by what it had to offer. But as I got into it and I put in a few years of time into it and R&D into it, I now realized it's not anymore automation, it's actually interactiveness. You are interacting with your home and your home is interacting back. There's a communication that happens with your own home, and all of a sudden everything comes alive. It's a wonderful feeling, and the fact that I'm in an industry like that and that I can get that experience to people is one of the most exciting aspects that I find about automation. For me, making life easy and interesting for my customer is a passion. That's what I really enjoy doing. And my association with Vaishya has opened numerous avenues of areas where I can be of help, and that realization that I can do so much more actually came to me because I came to Vaishyans. And I can't thank anybody enough for this opportunity to be in this exciting, absolutely thrilling, automated Vaishyan way of thinking. And that to me is something that really charges me up when I wake up in the morning. To know that I'm going for a meeting, to know that I'm going to meet people who've got ideas on which I can contribute in a positive way, and that I'm a solution to any given equation. That is the most exciting thing. I take this opportunity to congratulate Vaishya on its 100th milestone, and I look forward to inviting you to be present for the 101st event on the 10th of August. See you.